Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming which recorder is actually capturing GTAV. Look for overlays or icons. Windows Game Bar appears with Win plus G, NVIDIA shows a GeForce icon, OBS has a recording red dot. Once identified, press the recorder's stop hotkey immediately to end capture. If you don't know the hotkey, open that overlay now and locate Start/Stop Recording. Make sure you're stopping the correct process to avoid losing other background recordings. If the recorder ignores the stop command, force it to end through Task Manager. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus S, locate the overlay or recorder process, Game Bar, NVIDIA Share, OBS64, EXE, or, if necessary, GTA5, EXE. End the recorder task first to stop the capture safely. Only terminate GTA5 if unavoidable. Once stopped, reopen the recorder settings and disable any background or instant replay features to prevent automatic. Finish by confirming the clip was saved where the recorder places files. Check the default videos, shadow play, or OBS output folder. Once confirmed, open recorder settings and turn off auto record, instant replay, or change hotkeys so you won't accidentally restart recording. If the file didn't save or the recorder crashed, reboot the recorder service or restart Windows. That often restores clean state. Troubleshooting tip: if a file is missing, search the recorder's temp folder before assuming it's lost.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.